Welcome back again to my channel Chemistry Made Simple for NEET. I am Dr.Lekshmy Subramaniam with a PhD in Chemistry. And today in this session, I am going to teach you all a wonderful trick to solve gold number easily from surface chemistry. So you can all see here that I have given a super awesome trick to solve gold number easily from surface chemistry. So for that, firstly I'll tell you the definition for gold number. So already you might have watched my previous videos from surface chemistry which I have already uploaded. So there I had explained about lyophilic, lyophobic solutions and all that. So today I will start with the definition for gold number. So what is gold number? Gold number is the minimum weight in milligrams. Remember, it is in milligrams of a protective lyophilic colloid required to prevent the coagulation of 10 ml of gold solution when 1 ml of a 10% sodium chloride solution is added to it. It was first used by Richard Adolph Zsigmondy. So now all of you would be wondering why this big definition and you are all getting confused. So don't worry, there is nothing to get confused about this. So once we get along with the concepts and tricks, you will be finding it really easy, and I am very positive that you all will be able to answer any questions which come for gold number in NEET. So firstly, I will tell you the definition again. Gold number is the minimum weight in milligrams. Of what? Of a protective lyophilic colloid. So what is this colloid used to? It is used to prevent the coagulation of 10 ml of gold solution. So when you add 1 ml of 10% sodium chloride. So before explaining the trick to you, first of all I like to explain a few basic things needed to understand this concept. So first of all we will see what is meant by lyophilic. Lyo means it is solvent. Philic is loving. So lyophilic means solvent loving. So for example, I will tell you, if you mix gum in water, so what happens, you can see that it will easily dissolve. So when you you take some little bit gum and put it in water and see for yourself. So here coagulation is not easy. Have you heard the word coagulation? What does it mean? Coagulation is nothing but the changing of a liquid to solid or semi-solid state. That is what we call coagulation. So here there is no coagulation. That is, when you mix gum and water, there won't be coagulation. So because of that, this is very stable for a long time. That is, a mixture of gum and water is stable for a long time. So now we will look what is meant by lyophobic. Lyo, again it is solvent, phobic means hating. Lyophobic means solvent hating. So for example, we will take gold in water. All of you know that gold doesn't dissolve in water at all. Gold dissolves in nothing but aqua regia, that you know already. So what you should do is you take some gold and powder it and try to dissolve it in water. So what happens after some time, you can see that gold molecules will try to combine together, forming a precipitate. So here coagulation is very easy because the molecules will get combined. They will approach each other closely and they will try to combine and forming a precipitate. So this is not stable. That is, gold in water, it's not stable. So actually we are trying to make this stable by adding little bit of lyophilic solution and 1 ml of 10% NaCl solution. So we will move on to the trick now. So first of all, you can all see that this is a beaker where I have taken some lyophobic gold solution. So here it is lyophobic gold solution. Now what am I going to do? I am adding 1 ml of NaCl 10%, which is acting as an electrolyte, that is added to it. Here I am adding lyophilic solution, X milligram of lyophilic solution. So what happens is that when you add the lyophilic solution, it goes and protects this, makes a protective covering around the gold molecule. This is a gold molecule. So as soon as the lyophilic solution is added, it goes around each of the gold molecule and makes a protective covering around the gold molecule. So what happens is that when the molecules try to come close to each other, they won't be able to combine together, and it is not now it's not getting unstable. It is quite comes to be very stable when you add this lyophilic solution. So here I said that we are adding x milligram of lyophilic solution. So this x milligram is the gold number what we are adding. That is, if you add x mg of lyophilic solution, that is what we call as gold number. So again, if you go back to this definition, you can see that gold number, it is a minimum weight in milligrams. That is, we are adding x milligram of a protective lyophilic colloid that is needed to prevent coagulation of. Here we are taking 10 ml of gold solution and adding 1 ml of NaCl as 10% NaCl as electrolyte. So now I am sure that you are all very clear with the definition of the gold number. So we have got a formula for finding out the gold number, where you can see that gold number is number of milligrams of lyophilic solution. So remember, always this should be in milligrams, otherwise it will be wrong. That divided by the volume of solution, total volume of solution, multiplied by 10. Again, gold number is equal to number of milligrams of lyophilic solution divided by volume of solution into 10. So why don't we try one or two sums based on gold number? So first question given here is, if 10 milligram of colloid is added to 100 ml of gold solution to stop coagulation, when 1 ml of 10% NaCl is added, you have to find the gold number. So here we know 10 mg of colloid, that is x. So you are asked to find out the gold, you have to find out gold number. So as you know, the formula for finding out the gold number is number of milligram of lyophilic solution into 10 divided by volume of solution. So here 10 milligram of colloid we are adding to 100 ml of gold. So 10 by 100 into 10, this part which I have underlined in pink, this is not at all needed. It has no relevance with respect to the question. We need only two data here. One is 10 milligram and 100 ml. See, this should be in milligram. So 10 divided by 100 into this 10. So 10 and 100 divided by 100, we will get 1. So what is gold number? Gold number is equal to 1. So I think that you understood this clearly, how to find out the gold number. Now another question is, which has got more protective power? So for gold number 4 or 9, which is having more protective power? So for that you remember one important trick, that protective power is proportional to 1 by gold number. So that is inversely proportional. So 4 milligram, so this means 4 milligram and this means 9 milligram. So 4 milligram has more protective power because it is inversely proportional. So you have to look at both the numbers. If they ask for the one which is having more protective power, then take the smaller number, not the big one. So again, once again I will refresh you with what is meant by gold number. It is nothing that lyophilic is solvent loving and lyophobic is solvent hating. Lyophilic solution, here coagulation is not easy because they are very stable. So they don't combine together, the molecules don't combine together in lyophilic, rather they dissolve in the solution. Whereas in lyophobic, because they hate solvent hating, so when you try to dissolve them, they don't dissolve, but they form a sort of precipitate when the molecules try to come close together and combine with each other. So here coagulation is very easy and it is not stable. So in order to make the substance more stable, we are adding some lyophilic solution along with 1 ml of 10% NaCl solution as electrolyte, where we represented the whole thing with the help of a diagram for your easy reference. We took the lyophobic like gold solution inside and we added 1 ml of 10% NaCl, which is acting as an electrolyte. We added some lyophilic solution, x milligram of lyophilic solution, and then after that what happened, the lyophilic solution acted as a coating over the gold molecules, preventing them to come to a close contact and thus preventing the combining together or forming the precipitate of gold molecules. and making them more stable. So you can try to work on more sums like this from this part, and I'll be uploading separate unit for sums alone, for only problems from the previous year's NEET question papers, all the previous year's question papers, as soon as I finish uploading all the chapters. So I hope you find this trick really easy, and I'll come up with another super awesome trick in another session. And thanks for watching. Please like my video and share and subscribe with your friends. Thanks for watching.